stand still. Money secrets, the quiet thrill. Birds take flight, the sky their throne. They don't much care for my buzzing drone. Wings of metal in a timeless air. Nature whispers unaware. Suffolk winds they gently call. Through the reeds past the tidal wall. Lower Holbrook, where time stands still. Money secrets, the quiet thrill. Birds so heavy, they paint the scene. Muted tones, a rustic dream. The creek speaks soft, its voice runs deep. Through its veins where the waters sleep. Lower Holbrook, where time stands still. Money secrets, the quiet thrill. Birds take flight, the sky their throne. They don't much care for my buzzing drone. They don't have buzzing drone. Oh. Wings of metal in a timeless air. Nature whispers unaware. Suffolk winds they gently call. Through the reeds past the tidal wall. Wings of metal in a timeless air. Nature whispers unaware. Suffolk winds they gently call. Through the reeds past the tidal wall. Wings of metal in a timeless air. Nature whispers unaware. Suffolk winds they gently call. Through the reeds past the tidal wall. Wings of metal in a timeless air. Nature whispers unaware. Nature whispers unaware. Nature whispers unaware. Suffolk winds they gently call. Through the reeds past the tidal wall. Clouds roll heavy, they paint the scene. Muted tones, a rustic dream. The creek speaks soft, its voice runs deep. Through its veins where the waters sleep. Footprints linger on the soggy shore. Echoes of lives that came before. The drone ascends, a fleeting glance of Holbrook still in quiet dance.